Alright, welcome back to Chem with Go. Today we're going to take a look at isotope notation again, but a little bit more complicated example. Right? Let's take a look at an ion, for example. Here's an oxide ion, O2 minus. Now, the atomic number of oxygen happens to be 8, and let's pick a mass number of 18. Now, from the previous Show Me video, you noticed that we would go ahead and create these three columns: protons, neutrons, and electrons. And then that helps us sort of identify, each one of these subatomic particles within this nuclide. Now, from here, again, that's our atomic number. And the atomic number is the number of protons, so that makes this 8. Now, we subtract the atomic number from the mass number right here, so 18 minus 8 gives us 10, and that's the number of neutrons. And again, the mass number, which is right here, tells us the number of protons and neutrons inside the nucleus. So 18 minus 8 gives us 10 neutrons. Now, how do we identify the number of electrons? Now, this just happens to have a charge of -2. Well, if we want to know what the number of electrons are, if there's a total of 8 positives inside the nucleus, and the whole thing's got a -2 charge, how many negatives do we have to add to a +8 so that we can get a -2? Well, simple algebra tells us that we need to subtract 10 from this to get a -2. And that means that we have 10 electrons, because each electron is negatively charged. So the number of protons will be 8 for this isotope. Number of neutrons will be 10, for this isotope, and the number of electrons will be 10 because of the fact that it's got a -2 charge. And that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.